Imagine having a personal research assistant right inside your Telegram. With just one message, you can ask any question and instantly get reliable, structured answers. This workflow combines the power of SambaNova GPT-OSS and DeepSeek V3.1 with real-time search from SerpAPI. Ask in plain language, assistant refines your request. Fetches real-time web data, summarizes top results with links and images. No endless scrolling. Get clear insights in seconds, right inside Telegram. Smarter, faster research. Now I'll show you how to build your own AI research assistant without writing a single line of code. Step by step in N8N using SambaNova-hosted models. We'll cover each part in detail and finish with a quick live automation test. Step 1. Open N8N and create a new workflow. Step 2. Add the Telegram on message node. This is the entry point. Get your access token via bot further on Telegram. Create a bot, copy the token and paste it into the node. Node 2 is the SambaNova GPT-OSS agent. Set up SambaNova as your chat model provider and pick any popular open source model from the list. I'm using GPT-OSS Contini B here. Its role, refine the user's query so it's clear, relevant and ready for research. Node 3 is the SambaNova research agent. Again, set up SambaNova as your chat model provider and select DeepSeek V3.1. This agent connects with SerpAPI to fetch real-time web data and adds strong reasoning to deliver accurate, clear research answers. Node 4 is the send a text message node. Here we deliver the polished research answer back to the user on Telegram. Just provide your Telegram bot chat ID, which you will get once the first node Telegram trigger runs successfully. Now it's time to run this automation in action. Let's see it live. And that's it. A no-code AI research assistant in N8N with SambaNova plus Google SerpAPI. Research in real time via Telegram. If this helped, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next automation.